Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Shaggy taps Robin Thicke for his latest single, Looking Lovely, from his forthcoming project, Lottery. Speaking Tuesday on The Breakfast Club, multi-Grammy nominated singer Thicke shared how the track differs from where he is today as an artist in comparison to a decade ago.
I'm always trying to make black music, you know what I mean? I'm trying to make soul music. That's what I grew up on, that's who I love, and those are my favorite singers, so I'm always trying to be a part of that culture. I like making love songs. I mean, in the end, they're almost all geared towards making love work and making love last.
Me love the way you walk. Me love the way you talk. You're looking good, me walk. Shaggy.
Might I say that you look lovely this evening? You're beautiful.
The track blends Shaggy's unmistakable Caribbean cadence with Thicke's smooth R&B sensibility, delivering an infectious feel-good track that reflects the album's spirit of confidence and celebration. Set for release on May 15 via a partnership with VP Records and Shaggy's Ranch Entertainment, Lottery takes its title from the mindset that has propelled him from Kingston, Jamaica to global superstardom. Now, on the international scene, Oscar-nominated actress Teyana Taylor says she's not a fan of disrespect after rumors started making the rounds that Teyana was shoved by a security personnel at the awards show.
I think the first thing people do is definitely, make assumptions.
Sure.
But at the end of the day, I just don't tolerate disrespect, especially when it's unwarranted and it's unprovoked.
The One Battle After Another star said that there is nothing to wonder about the incident, which occurred after the film won Best Picture. Following the incident, the Oscars issued an apology to Taylor, saying they are extremely upset to learn about the experience Teyana endured at the end of the Oscars ceremony, adding that they have worked with Taylor over the last several months during award season, and she's been nothing short of remarkable, supportive, kind, and all-about community. Though the incident was with their outside security firm SIS, the experience of every single guest is their responsibility, and they've made it clear to them that this behavior is unacceptable. It went on to say that they're taking the appropriate measures to ensure this does not happen again. Zendaya addresses wedding photos. Speaking on Jimmy Kimmel Live on Monday, the Primetime Emmy Awards actress clarified that the wedding photos you're seeing online, they're AI generated.
Many people have been fooled by them.
Yeah.
While I was just out and about in real life, and people were like, oh my God, your wedding photos are gorgeous. And I was like, babe, they're AI. They're not
so
real.
Crazy.
The photos quickly populated social media after her stylist, Law Roach, insinuated that Zendaya and Tom Holland tied the knot. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.